Ever wondered how AI platforms could go beyond simple subscriptions and actually build sustainable economies? Imagine combining AI with blockchain to reward users, creators, and the platform itself. Today, we're breaking down a blueprint from Token Trip of Shadowthorn Studios, an AI platform powered by its own token economy, designed to keep people engaged and rewarded. The idea starts with a fixed supply, say 100 million tokens. At launch, all tokens sit in a core vault. Then they're split into 4 vaults. Core Vault, 50%. Staking Vault, 25%. Daily Login Vault, 15%. Achievement Vault, 10%. Core Vault, chat to earn. Every conversation you have with the AI gives tokens. Staking Vault, lock to earn. Stake your tokens and get gradual rewards. Daily Login Vault, rewards for logging in every day with streak bonuses. Achievement Vault, earn tokens by hitting milestones, connecting your wallet, 30-day login streaks, or interacting with social posts. Here's the twist. Each vault has its own halving schedule. When half the tokens in a vault are claimed, the reward rate for that vault is cut in half. Because halving happens separately, different activities may become more or less rewarding over time, keeping the ecosystem dynamic. This isn't just earn some tokens and leave. It's a living, evolving token autonomy where AI interactions feel fun, social, and rewarding, while supporting a sustainable business model for the platform and giving creators a real stake.